The company board is a unique way to understand financial information. The example we have here is Hewlett-Packard's annual report from 2007. You could look at the information in a standard way like this, with income statement and balance sheet, but in our representation, we have the information together in a single visual format with the income statement on the right and the balance sheet on the left. The colors represent different types of financial information. Red, of course, represents debt. Black is for profit and equity. Copper shows fixed assets. Gold represents sales and other revenue. Multicolored stacks are for inventory and cost of sales, and silver represents cash, receivables or debtors, and other expenses. The company board graphic represents income statement and balance sheet. The balance sheet, of course, is a statement of what you have in the business and where the assets came from. In the representation here, the assets are in this area, and the volume of the stacks is identical to the volume of stacks in the red and black areas, showing the liabilities and equity. It is an actual balance sheet. An income statement, or P&L, is a statement of the sales revenue minus the cost of sales, the other expenses, and shows the net profit on the bottom. In our visual representation, the income statement is on the right. Sales revenue is at the top, followed by cost of sales, operating expenses, adjustments, finance charges, taxes, and net profit on the bottom line. The company board makes financial information more accessible for visual learners. A picture is worth 1,000 numbers. By showing relative sizes, the picture prioritizes information. By representing numbers as a physical landscape, it contextualizes information. Return on sales is the ratio of profit on the bottom line to gold revenue on the top line. Return on assets is the relationship of profit on the income statement to total assets on the balance sheet. The debt to equity ratio is the relationship between the red stacks and the black stacks on the balance sheet. Days sales outstanding is shown by the position of the receivables or debtors on their track. The nearer the stacks are to cash, the more rapidly customers are paying. Here is the movie for the company's financial results from the past several years. 2000, 2001, 2002, 2003, 2004, 2005, 2006, 2007. This way of looking at financial information has several benefits. It's colorful, engaging, and makes intuitive sense. It allows rapid assessment of a company's financial structure, key ratios, and overall health, and it fosters communication between employees. The company board creates very rapid learning for students of accounting and finance. It can provide illustrations for accounting textbooks, annual reports, breaking news stories, or stock market investments. As you can see, the company board has a variety of uses, but its strongest application is in professional development, and it is fully integrated with our income outcome workshops.